We'll be talking today about Marvel Enterprises. Marvel Enterprises is a company that has brought out comic books and movies and brought to us the likes of the great Spiderman. I'm bringing to you today something unique and different. It is called the invisible indicator. What I do here is I take away the price and I incorporate a 5-week, 13-week, and 40-week moving average. The 5-week moving average, which is in blue, acts as price. The 13 moving average acts as a buffer, and the 40, which is the green dotted line, acts as the equator line, the bull and the bear line. As you see here, I have here something that says higher low, a box there with red. What happened was, over a year's time, when it pulled back, it did not break the previous low. That's your first sign of bullishness. Second sign of bullishness is the black dotted line. You see it slope there, hitting two different peaks. The next time it went into that area in September, looks like September 2006, it blasts through there. Right there is a confirmation of bullishness, period. It also had a small pullback just before it broke through there, which is a consecutive higher low. That's two higher lows, breaks up through there. Now it's made a higher high. The slope, if you look at the 5 and the 13, look at the slope. That slope right there is at a 30-degree angle. Another strong sign of bullishness. And again, I've always believed in technical analysis. Technical analysis is the best form of insider trading because it shows us what the insiders and the institutional traders are doing, and the brokerage houses. They know more than us. We always want to miss the first 20% of a run so we can confirm that bullishness has taken place or bearishness has taken place. Then we can jump in for that last 2/3 of a ride. Marvel Enterprises right now, I believe people are buying in expectation of Spider-Man 3, which is going to be a $200 million production. Nothing like it in American history. That means the movie studios are expecting $400 million in U.S. box office and probably $800 million worldwide box office, which is astounding and incredible. To do nearly $1 billion for one movie, and that probably over 3 movies would be $2.5 billion. Absolutely incredible. Only thing that's above that would be Star Wars. So Marvel Enterprises right here is showing great bullishness. It is broken out. It's something I believe you should want to invest in. This is not a position trade like I would do in gold or like I would do in the British pound or an Apple or Research in Motion. This is something that might take 6 months, a year. It might run 33, 50, 65% from here. You would want to only invest 5% of your portfolio, maybe 8% of your portfolio. If we're doing position trading, you can go higher because you're going to hold for shorter periods of time. Always institute a stop in here. So if you got in here at $29, around $30, put your stop in at $26, $26.50. You can expect this. With this type of bullishness, there's a strong probability that it could run to $37, $42, $45. Carl Swillen of DecisionPoint.com writes that technical analysis is a windsock, meaning what a windsock is something that determines the speed, direction, and movement of the wind, but it's not a crystal ball, he says, which predicts the future. So it's a strong probability and possibility that this shall run up into the high 30s, early 40s, which would be a great investment for your portfolio. Add some strength to your portfolio. It's one of the stronger bullish picks I've seen. I really like it. I also like Charter. We'll get into that later. And in shorter term picks, I love gold. I love British pound, U.S. markets. I'm neutral on the U.S. markets. Longer term are bullish. You've seen the 4-year cycle low happen in the NASDAQ. So first quarter you can see some pullback, but going into the spring this thing could take off. Cisco, Oracle, some of the internet stocks, especially the Dow, they're stronger. So Marvel Enterprises looks like a good investment for your portfolio. I'd say jump all over it. No more than 8% of your portfolio value in it. And the invisible indicator, which I don't want to say I invented it, but I don't see too many people using it. It's something that I love to look at because I just love to sometimes just see the moving averages. throw out the price, see the moving averages break out. So Marvel Enterprises looks very strong. This is Blake Verdun of BarkStreet.net.